Good evening, second grade. I am here to teach you Science Lesson 4. I know that it has been a while since we've done a video, but I'm back and we're ready to start again. The last science lesson that we did was Science Lesson 3, and in that lesson you were able to observe condensation. The condensation appeared on the cup that had the hot water, not the cold water. Now, the condensation was a gas changing to a liquid. And during the past 3 lessons, we have been observing substances as either a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Tomorrow, we are going to be talking about another way that scientists can classify substances, and that is either as a substance or as a mixture. And again, those are ways that scientists can classify matter, as either a pure substance or as a mixture. Let's think of salt. Salt is a pure substance. It has its own properties and it stays the same throughout. Now let's talk about a mixture of salt and gravel. If you mix salt with gravel, they each retain their own properties, but they can be combined together. But then they can also be separated and still keep those same properties. And that's what we're going to do in our lesson tomorrow. We're going to combine salt and gravel, and then we're going to separate them by using a sieve. I would like you to discuss with your parents what a sieve is, and maybe they can show you an example in the kitchen of what a sieve might look like or might be. Now, tomorrow when you come to science class, we are going to first talk about the properties of the salt by itself. We're going to talk about the properties of the gravel by itself. We're going to look at them with a magnifying glass and see if we can really get some good descriptions of each of those. So talk about salt and gravel with your parents and see if you can come up with some good adjectives, good description words for each of those substances. Then we're going to create a mixture. We're going to combine those together. Then we're going to separate them again, take the salt away from the gravel by using a sieve. And that will be our science lesson tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to define the word mixture. We're going to separate a mixture with the sieve. And we're going to discuss whether the salt and gravel have changed as a result of the mixture being separated. So go ahead and discuss again the properties of salt and gravel and what a sieve is and how you might use one with your parents. And I will see you tomorrow in class ready to play with some salt and some gravel. Have a great evening.